Hello, this is Brian. Today is Wednesday, October 26th, 2022. I'm up here in the San Ynez Mountains of Santa Barbara County in the Los Padres National Forest, and it is time for a Spotlight on Shrubs video. So today, I want to focus on a separate variety of shrub, a shrub that I featured back in 2021. And it's this right here. This is the flat thickleaf, the flat hoary ceanothus. This is Ceanothus crassifolius variety planus. So back in March of 2021, was it February or March? Late February or March, I did a spotlight on Ceanothus crassifolius variety crassifolius, the dominant one further south here in Southern California, in Orange County, San Gabriel Mountains, San Bernardino Mountain foothills, and other parts of Southern California. That's Ceanothus crassifolius variety crassifolius. Now this one here is Ceanothus crassifolius variety planus. This is the flatleaf variety. The regular variety, its leaves, and you can check my spotlight on Ceanothus crassifolius variety crassifolius. You can see what the leaves look like to compare and contrast to what these ones are here. Now, just like Ceanothus crassifolius variety crassifolius, leaves are oppositely arranged. So you can see these twigs are opposite one another, and the leaves are as well. Thick and waxy, have some light fuzziness or light pubescence underneath, a whitish color, and more of an medium olive green on top. And the twigs often have these old leftover stipules right here. These are old stipules, very common on Ceanothus crassifolius and several species of closely related Ceanothus. So, as you notice here, the leaf blades are relatively flat. In fact, sometimes they even cup upward. The ones on Ceanothus crassifolius variety crassifolius, they cup downward. So you see this. This is a leaf that's cupped down. So yeah, the Ceanothus crassifolius variety crassifolius is very revolute. So this will be the underside of the leaf. You see it's kind of cupped, and the other side is cupped downwards. Now Ceanothus crassifolius variety planus has the same shaped leaves. The leaves are the same shaped. They're ovate shaped, and they're tooth-edged, often tooth-edged, not always, but often tooth-edged. But they're relatively flat. They don't curve down like regular Ceanothus crassifolius variety crassifolius. Now the flowers and the seed capsules should be the same. The flowers and seed capsules are about the same. So if you want to see the spotlight video on Ceanothus crassifolius variety crassifolius, you'll see what the flowers look like on those. And the seed capsules are small, and they are chambered, and they burst open during the summer, and the seeds sprinkle down to the floor of the chaparral awaiting the next burn. So Ceanothus crassifolius as a general shrub has medium to darker gray bark, as you can see down here. Kind of gray bark, sometimes a little fluted down at the bottom, maybe a little rough textured, which is pretty common in a lot of Ceanothus species. And the Ceanothus crassifolius variety planus is much more common here in the Western Transverse Ranges. We're near the west end of the Transverse Ranges. We're in Western Santa Barbara County, Western Central Santa Barbara County. So we're in the Western Transverse Ranges. This is the San Ynez range. You see more of these here. So usually medium to quite large shrubs with evergreen leaves, and again, clusters of round, umbel-shaped clusters of white flowers come late winter, early spring, and small chambered seed capsules that explode and release the seeds to the bottom of the chaparral floor. So, yeah, Ceanothus crassifolius variety planus is a lot more relegated to the Western Transverse Ranges, although there have been some vouchers, I believe, towards the Santa Ana Mountains, maybe the San Gabriel Mountains, but I personally have not really seen them. So, Ceanothus crassifolius, variety planus. And I think that will do it for my spotlight on shrubs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.